Hey, welcome to Riverflow. I'm Oscar. I'm one of the co-founders here. By the time you're watching this video, your first 4 images are already being generated in the background. So we're going to use this time to show you a couple of the key features of the tool. We're going to cover photo shoots, videos, and also how to create custom scenes and styles. It's only going to take a couple of minutes. The main way to create imagery when you're inside of the product is in the Photoshoots area here in the side nav. When in the Photoshoots area, you generate images by mixing together 3 different things: your product, a scene, and a style. Your product is the item being photographed, and this will have pulled through automatically from onboarding. A scene sets the composition of an image, be that a creative studio, a lifestyle with people, or ingredients and textures. And these scenes are just starting points. For example, with this scene here, if we're to use this for a generation, I can type something like, change the cherries to be limes. You can even go much further and drive the scene to be quite different. A style sets the lighting, tone, texture, coloring of the image, and it can be applied across many scenes, meaning that you can have multiple scenes with the same lighting environment, so they look like they've just come from one shoot. If you don't like any of the scenes or styles that you find in our library, you can create your own by clicking on the scenes or styles area and uploading a reference image for us to use as inspiration. By mixing these 3 things together, a scene, a style, and a product, you can very quickly create volumes of beautiful, high-quality content that looks on brand and doesn't require hours of prompting. When you open up an image, you can then also edit, perform a number of different actions, including fixing the product details, something we're extremely proud of. And you can also generate video by clicking here. We've then again built a library of presets that you can quickly use to animate, for example, zoom out, enabling you to add a little bit of motion to the image that you've just created. That's it for now. The ability to create beautiful, high-quality photo shoot content using custom scenes and styles and then animate them using the best video models in the world. Your first images should now be ready, so head to your dashboard to see those and start generating from there. And if you want more detail on how to get the most out of the product, because there's plenty we've not covered in this quick walkthrough, then there's a link on the screen to book a demo. Really looking forward to what you create in Riverflow.